Okay, welcome to lesson 2. The last time in lesson 1 we have seen how to transpose musical notes into higher or lower scales, and we began with C. In this case we are transposing the note C into the second note, into D. So we have D major, E minor, F minor sharp, G, A major, B minor, C minor sharp, diminish. So this is the natural pattern we can see in different music composition, especially in music, in classical music. But we have said also that in rock and roll, in rock progressions, it breaks the pattern. This is the case of the famous song "Sweet Child of Mine" by Guns N' Roses in the key of D. If you can notice it's the same pattern down below, but the exception is right here. C note instead of C minor sharp diminished, Guns N' Roses plays the note C major. So it's breaking the pattern, as I mentioned earlier in lesson 1. Okay. Okay, now I want you to practice this transposing of chord progressions or note progressions with a chord D. Repeat that way many times, or if you like with notes, es this is the key of D. In that way you will train your ears, and in time it will be easier for you to play a song of other famous artists, and also it will help you with your own compositions and new creations. So practice and practice. If you like the video, please subscribe to this channel